Hi everybody. Today I would like to show you what I have made with this iMac G4. This is the PowerPC with the rotating screen. This is an old computer that was brought me from a friend with MAC OSX completely in disorder. A lot of application was missing. I wasn't able to restore it with Mac, and then I look for an alternative. So I've installed the Lubuntu, which is the which is a good alternative. And guys, I make this video because I do have to tell you I spend a lot of time because I don't really know that much about Macs, about Macintosh. So I messed a lot of I spent a lot of time just wanted you to know if it can help, what to do. The first thing is that you have your Windows PC. So sorry for the flash. You will need to get a USB key. Yeah, true. A USB flash drive. And then in my install file, you see here there's a Unetbootin. So you run this as an administrator, and before that you have to format your flash drive into FAT32. This is very important. I did mess with the HFS and some Mac things, but it's really the normal way I do it with the PC. The only thing after mounting the ISO, flashing the ISO, writing the ISO. Sorry guys for my English. After writing the ISO on the USB key with the last tool, you put it here, and the only thing you have to do is to hold the Apple key or command with Alt when it boots. So NOF, and after that you have a special just a second. I think okay. You have a special just one command line to enter. So you boot up the Mac with the dongle at the, let's say, this port. You have 3 ports in the back, so you put it on the number 3, and the command you have to type when you get you hear the sound, and then you press and hold this and O plus F for open firmware, and you will get a command prompt. Everything will be in white. You see now everything is working, but let's say it was not the case. So, oh yeah, I formatted. Yeah, it's supposed to work. Don't forget to take the PowerPC version for the G4. It's 32 bytes. So I press power on. I hear the sound. Press Hold and F at the same time until something happens. Sorry. Okay. 2. Now everything is installed, so I don't have the same yeah, you will get in this white screen command prompt, and after that I'll put this in the comment. This is like boot HD dot HD 3 casper yaboot. It's very easy after that, after all. And this is a lightweight version, so don't throw this at the garbage. I've tried last night, and it run movies. You have Word, Excel, PowerPoint on the LibreOffice, so everything is cool. I'm probably gonna make a I'm probably gonna make a I'm probably gonna edit this video to cut the parts. Okay, then let's see what it looks like. I'm very obsessed by the flash right now. I don't know how to disable it. Just a second. Okay, I'm not able to disable the flash. Anyway, I have to tell you one last thing. I took we are in 2017, and on Lubuntu.me I took the 14 dot version. There was also a PowerPC with 16 what most up to date, but it didn't work. I had to upgrade from the 14 version. So the ISO you have to grab before writing it on your USB dongle, USB drive, isn't the 17, isn't the, for myself it didn't work with the with the 16. So now you see there's a PowerPC version. I took this one. Maybe this one will work, but unfortunately I made it another time and I get back now everything is fine, but my internet here on the Wi-Fi I'm on it's very slow. Anyway, take the 14. That's my tips, and the command you will have to type. I will put it in the comments. So don't hesitate to to comment. This is a long work, but it really I think it's really worth it. I will find a browser that is more lightweight, like Chromium or something like that. As you see, I've put Midori. I'm gonna try that also. I have a couple of tests to do, but the reviews seem to be fine on YouTube last day. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. Bye.